morning, the Cornish Guardian.
Yeah, not a problem. I just came into work 8 o'clock this morning, and as you can see, we're flooded up to the top step over there.
Yeah.
And I just came into the shop, so just it took a bit of time to clean up, and we were open ready for business about 10:30.
And you work at Cancer Research UK, the
Yeah,
shop.
yeah.
You're a manager there, yeah.
It's happened before, so there's nothing unusual.
And how do you think it may affect your business if it's
Well, people see it on the news and whatever, so the traffic is rather bad as well. And so it does affect business, unfortunately, but we're quite resilient here, so people come in and we're open as normal. So
and do you think Looe will recover from the flooding? Do you think?
Yeah, it's not unusual. So like I say, so we just clean up and then we're ready to good to go basically.
Okay, all right, thank you.
All right, cheers.